Hello, welcome to Beyond One Way. Have you ever wondered what you can do with a can of coconut milk? How about making a one-pot coconut curry rice meal? Start with 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil in a non-stick frying pan on medium-high heat to brown 1 pound of ground turkey meat. You can use any type of ground meat that you like. After the meat is cooked halfway, add 1 cup of raw jasmine brown rice to the pan and season the meat and the rice with garlic, curry powder, and salt. I use brown rice because it is more nutritious than the white rice, but white rice will work too. Ground turkey contains a lot of liquid, so keep on sauteing until all the liquid is gone. Then add a can of unsweetened coconut milk. I use full-fat coconut milk for a creamier texture and flavor. You can use light coconut milk if you want a less creamy texture. Add 1 cup of water, 1.5 cups frozen peas and carrots, 2 tablespoons curry powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Bring the rice mixture to boil and reduce the heat to low. Cover with a lid and simmer for 45 minutes. Then turn the stove off, remove the lid, and let the rice sit on the stove for 5 minutes. Add some fresh lime juice when you are ready to eat. I hope you will give this one-pot coconut curry rice meal a try. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Happy eating and see you next time.